sometimes we want to act like we are moving, but we are not moving. We want to act like we are building, but we are not building. So you see people, you go, you just want to take pictures with people. It's not bad. It's not bad. But if that is all you have as the emblems of your growth, one day, that's why people end up not feeling fulfilled. Because after everything I've done, why is that? It's because you were never really doing anything. You thought you were. You were busy, but you were not productive. And so every time you need to ask yourself a question. What does the result even look like for me in this season? When I say I am growing or I have results, what does that actually look like for me? When you understand that, you will realize that for a lot of us, the things that you are doing by design is not going to get you that result. And it won't get you the result. It won't get you the result. For example, you say, it is clients buying from you, even you don't understand your offer. You don't understand your offer. You've not designed it in a way that you can take. For some of you, and that's one of the work we're going to do together. For some of you, you need to carry somebody. They don't have to pay. The work you say you want to do, do it. Because sometimes you lie to yourself. Do it. Yeah, do it. You say you can change somebody's life. So yeah, change. Yeah. No, those of you that will join 90 days and after. It's problem. I lie. Talk to me. Okay. Yes, now. Do it. Do it. Some of us, we know how to say the things that, like when Stella was talking together, the community we are building, it is easier to be, and it's not bad. I'm not shading you, but I will still shade you. I'm not shading. It's very easy to have community and you say you are going live every day. Sit down with somebody. Let the person ask you a question. Answer the question. Answer. Sometimes it looks like you are pushing, but you are not really pushing. You are not. You think you are. Because they've told you, you are doing, just be building. Sometimes, don't let people motivate you into your doom. You just be building, you have faith in God. 10 years from now, you're still where you are. You are still where you are. So what does result look like? What does it look like? So I know it. I know it. I want to do this. I'm a coach. Coach somebody into result. Coach. I can help you grow your business. Grow it. See, grow it. Are they? Grow. Sometimes you tell yourself, no, I want people to buy from me. Go and do it. Let's see your show workings. Show workings.